For all the times that you rain on my parade.
And collect the award. So I've got 3 keys. So everybody is a big party. Own 12 characters. Okay, I'm gonna try. So there's a limited one. I actually like this one the best, I think, and this one. Okay, so I've got gift, dark outfit. Just quickly gonna limited gift. Okay. Millions of things coming there. Oh, look at that. That looks pretty cool. And I like the one that I love the best is this one, the bounce. So cool. So I am gonna get 2 keys for a second. And yeah. What is that game? Oh my goodness. Oh. Got 13 seconds, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Wow, let's go now and play the Subway Surf. So, I earned 2 keys, and I'm gonna get the Dino, I don't know how to say his name, and I really want to unlock Tricky now, because I do. I'm gonna select him, and I'm gonna, oh, I'm not gonna watch. I'm gonna go on boosts, and I'm gonna try and get Tricky money. Can you get this off? So now I have to move to another room because my cousin is doing things with his phone. Oh, come on. I need to double it up. I need to double it up. I need to double it up. What do you mean by that? Dispute. What chums? Wow. Yes. And you need one more. Come on, I need to get one. I need to get one. Thanks. Yay, thank you. 22 keys. Bye, come on. I need to get it. Yes, I unlocked Tricky. Yay. Right now, I'm gonna select her. So let's go to menu, go to me, and select Tricky. And now let's play. I'm gonna use my head start. This is so fast. I just beaten my own score. Like a blue. Oh gosh, this is so fast and I didn't even collect that much coins. Oh, to top. Oh, I thought it was gonna be too tricky. Okay. Gonna be tricky in a minute. Tricky, like, it's so tricky to do it, and tricky, like, the name of it. Cool. This is so fast. And it's a bit laggy. Oh, my daily challenge is completed. So my missions are pick up 2 power-ups. So I'm going to collect 1 more power-up, because that's what it said, because I picked up. Oh, look, again. Mission master complete. Yay. Now, let's do my other. No. And I also need a mystery box for free. And I'm gonna do my mission. Collect 200 coins in 1 run, 94 left, jump 20 times, pick up 2 super sneakers. So I'm gonna jump and what? I've got see Chucky in gold. Jump, 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 yay, 2010. What's the other one? I forgot. 200 coins, 5 coins left.